central vacuum power Volta F1 is back. I have not used this for ages, and this was actually a car heater at one point when I wanted those car glasses de-iced. So, quickly, original two-stage motor burned out from this, and it was very nice motor, and it has enough power, certainly enough power compared, for example, something like brand new Shark. It had more than that. Now it has Chinese one stage 2100 watt motor in it, and I put a number here, but it is in USA amps. So this is insanely powerful, and it is also noisy, and it creates a lot of heat. If this would come blocked, this would probably melt this whole body, and there is pictures of that motor swap. So you have seen this, but you have not seen this with this Kirby key 4, key 6 I mean, hose, what I didn't need anymore, and you have not seen the airflow test from the vacuum, and you have not seen the airflow test from the hose end, with this hose end. And there is going to be electrolux turbo plus in this video, some big up tests on this Rook. There is one, this doesn't belong to this vacuum, but I use it because it fits. Cable rewinder is broken, but this has very long cable, and it needs it because this has to be plugged into the 16 amp socket. So 10 amp socket will blow the breaker, most likely. You can get lucky, but I don't take that chance. So what we have here? Well, back is pneumatic HEPA flow, but I have gutted this and emptied it because I used this bag with the Kirby Tradition, and I have zip tied it closed. It is a bit smaller, but it is HEPA bag, and very clean there, like you can see. This bag is very well available, not bad price, not expensive at all. Now you need this tool holder there to create a seal. So there is that, and this has been parked multiple times for different reasons. There is that exhaust filter, just microfilter, and carbon dust already. This produces a lot of carbon dust. That motor, it is after all cheap Chinese motor from cheap Chinese bagless vacuum. Cord rewind doesn't work because this has been hot glued and sealed this cord to there. On off button, and well, I like this styling. It is quite yellow now because this is what happens to plastic over age. This is what it should be, so this is how it looks. So it's nice vacuum. It's not in the perfect condition, but it is perfectly working condition. So there is that, and hose, like I said, this is from the Kirby key 6, and this I had to order this handle for it. The original was cracked, and this end, I think I made decent job making that Kirby key 6 hose fit to this. So this goes there. And what it comes to the central power claim, I made that claim in some other video long time ago, and there was instantly some guy, there is no way this is central power. Well, I can measure that, and so what, for example, beam central vacuum gets from the hose end, central vacuum hose end, and no other piping connected. So I can show you that. This might actually beat it. But yes. Now I have to plug this in, and let's check how it sounds and so on. And then airflow tests, I am not spending too much time for those, so well, let's plug this in and continue the video. Okay, does it work? Nothing blew up yet when I connected the cord to the washing machine 16 amp outlet. So okay, it sounds fine. A bit high pitched compared to the original two-stage 1000 watt motor. A bit over 1000 watt motor. But anyway, let's now headphone warning. This is going to get loud. How fast it spins this. Well, I am certainly happy about that. Now let's check the airflow from the hose end and first actually from the canister end. Okay, canister end airflow test. Okay, now this is straight as I now put that hose. You can get more CFM and airflow obviously when you put that hose straight, but for quick video this will do. So let's see what it gets there. Okay, great results, and obviously you saw what the CFM is. So I don't think that we quite got the beam central vac results, but very near that. So let's demonstrate this with the Electrolux Turbo Brush and some debris. Okay, there was the Volta F1 with 2100 watt motor. Very, very powerful. When you go back to normal vacuum, they seem kind of lackluster compared to this, or weak, especially backless vacuums. This is so powerful, oh man. So there is that. Now, thank you for watching and goodbye.